3rd of June in the evening, we found Henry in the garden. Hello boy, how you doing? Hello.
Feeling funky.
How's it going? Yeah, hello. How's it going then, eh? Yeah. You want some grub, don't you? That's it, find the knee.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. How are you doing? Come on then, let's go and get some grub. Come on. You coming?
Grub.
Come on.